So what we're going to do here is attempt to install Terraform on a Mac using Brew in less than a minute. The first thing I want you to take notice of is the URL. This URL that you see in this README file has the actual instructions that HashiCorp provides to do this installation. It's very simple. The first thing you want to do is hit the repository and make sure you have all of the packages. That's this command here. We'll run that. That's done. Second, then you want to actually perform the installation itself. Okay, so I'm cycling through these commands because I've installed this previously. There's the brew install command for HashiCorp Terraform. We run that. The zip will unload, decompress, and install. That's done. Okay. Technically, the installation is done. We can verify that it's done by typing Terraform -v for version, and we've installed Terraform version 1.6.3. I'm not even going to check the clock. I know that's less than a minute, but I'm going to show you one more thing since we're here. There's another command that could be issued and used in the event that the installation was not up to date. You simply run brew update would then check and verify that this is the most recent version of the application. Terraform, in this case, our console is telling us, yes, you're already up to date. Had we not been up to date, you run the following command that I'm showing right now, which is the upgrade command. The upgrade command would then go out, find the latest version, and install that, and remove the older version. This command is telling us, hey, it's already installed, you're already up to date, and that's it. That is Terraform installed on a Mac using Brew in less than a minute with a few bonus steps afterward.